Good evening, everyone. Let's start our Wednesday evening meditation practice. Please find a comfortable and relaxed posture. It's very important to sit comfortably. Take a few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. Relax, relax. Let's practice loving kindness meditation. Firstly, feel yourself as your best friend. You are the best friend of yourself. That's why you are sitting with us. That's why you want to practice this meditation. As a best friend, you are always going to take care of yourself happily. Again, feel yourself as your best friend. With that beautiful feelings, say to yourself and wish to yourself, may I be filled with loving kindness. May I be feel connected and calm. May I be free from inner and outer dangers. May I be well in mind and body. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Wish to yourself and bless to yourself. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now imagine your all family members. Imagine their faces. Maybe this difficult time you can't visit them, but we can connect heart to heart. This is the time to connect each other. Imagine your all loved ones. If you have any difficult time with someone, try to let it go. No need to keep hold it. May all my family members be filled with loving kindness. May they be feel connected and calm. May they be free from inner and outer dangers. May they be well in mind and body. May they be happy. May they be peaceful. May not any difficulties come to them. May not any dangers come to them. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. May my family be well, be happy, be peaceful. In this moment, we are developing our loving thoughts. You are one of the loveliest person right now in this world. Your heart is full of love, full of compassion. Now we can send our loving and kind thoughts towards to the living beings. Send your loving thoughts without any discrimination. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be free from inner and outer dangers. May they be able to find peaceful, healthy, and comfortable environments. May they be able to take care of themselves happily. May all the living beings be strong and healthy mentally and physically. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now it is time to think about your difficult one. If you have any difficult people in your life, please think of them No need to get anger. Try to send your loving and kind thoughts towards to them. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be able to find noble friends. May they be able to find peace. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. If you want to change your posture, you can change it anytime. Do it mindfully and slowly. In this moment, we develop our loving thoughts. Try to keep develop your loving and kind thoughts every day. It can make you loving and kind person. It can bring to your life. It can bring to your peace and happiness. Now let's practice mindfulness meditation. Take a few deep long breaths. And focus on your natural, ordinary breath. No need to control your breathing process. Just observe your natural, ordinary breathing process. Bring your attention to the tip of your nose. Take each breath mindfully. So many thoughts, sounds, sensations may distract you. Let them come and go. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. While you are breathing, you can see short breath in and out, long breath in and out. When you see short breath, think I'm taking short breath. When you see long breath, observe I'm taking long breath. No need to think about future or your past memories. Just enjoy this present moment. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Now slowly bring your attention to your inside. Try to understand nature of your mind. When you see your inside, you can see your beautiful, skillful, good qualities. Be grateful for your good mind. Also, you can see your unskillful mind. No need to worry about it. Understanding is the most important thing. It's mean you can fix your mind. This meditation will help you to develop your mind, cultivate your mind. Please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day, at least 5-10 minutes. May peace be with you. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Thank you so much. Slowly open your eyes. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining with us this evening. I hope you all are having a beautiful day. So today I was thinking what I am going to share with you today. So many thoughts came to my mind. We know we all are getting so close to the new year, and we know we are having really difficult year. We never thought that we are going to experience this kind of difficult time. Hope this everything will end soon. Only thing is we can think something positive way. It is will make your mind strong and healthy. Please also think about it. And also we are close to the Christmas. This Friday we all over the world people are going to celebrate Christmas. When I was in Sri Lanka, I never celebrate Christmas. But after I come here, I saw how people engage with this beautiful celebration, how people excited for that. I saw people are buying gift and they are enjoying this Christmas with their family. And also I think this is a really good time to think about love, peace and compassion. Also, before I come to this temple, I was so excited about this temple. Maybe you all visited this temple. After you come to this temple, you can see something really beautiful. You can see Buddha and Jesus in the same place. Most of times who come to the temple very first time, they are very surprised and they are very excited about the temple, and they are asking, why Buddha and Jesus in the same place? This is really new to me. I think this is the only place in this world anyone can see Buddha and Jesus in the same place. How about our answer who are asking about that kind of questions? We are usually telling them, this is the combination of the peace. We know Buddha and Jesus share their teachings to this world, and millions people are following Buddha's teachings and also Jesus' teachings. They are practicing that everything, and they are developing some good qualities in their life. I think this is the really good time to think about that all the good qualities. If you practice Buddhism or if you follow Jesus' teachings, you can think something different way during this time. Most of times people are asking, I want to practice Buddhism, I want to practice Buddhist teachings. What I have to do? How many qualities that I can practice? So I am telling you, if you practice Jesus' teachings or if you practice Buddhist teachings, you have to think just one thing. You have to find just one quality. Maybe compassion, maybe loving kindness, maybe equanimity, maybe acceptance. Just find one quality from Jesus' life or from Buddha's life. Just find one. Then try to apply it to your life. Try to think about that quality every day. Try to listen in some talks, try to read some books, try to develop it every day. If you find just one quality, then that all the qualities will follow you. You don't have to find so many things. Just try to find one good quality, then practice it. These days I was thinking I really need to practice more about patience and anger. Then most of times I'm thinking about it, then I try to apply it to my life more and more. So I think it is really good time to think about that everything, because we are getting really close to the new year. I think you all are going to visit some of your family, maybe you are going to meet some of your friends, and then if you have any difficult time with someone, try to forgive, try to practice forgiveness. It is really good quality from the Buddha's life. Also you can find that good quality from the Jesus life. I remember when I was very little, when I was 12 or 13 years old as a monk, I already started to read Bible. I read almost half of it. Then I realized how Jesus share his teachings with the people. I study how was he kind. So maybe that everything you can apply to your life. Please think about it. Try to find some good qualities from each person's. Then try to apply to your life. Try to think about it. Try to share with your friends. Try to share with your kids. Then we can start next year very freshly and very nicely. Please think about this idea this night. And now we all the monks going to do a special blessing. Many people are asking some blessings. And as I told you, maybe you can visit your loved ones. Usually you all going to see your family members during this time. But because of this pandemic, most of you can see your family. But we can connect heart to heart. Think about them. Think about your loved ones who need blessings. While we are chanting, you can practice loving kindness meditation. You can practice mindfulness meditation. Please think of them and listen this chant lovingly and kindly. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Bhagava arahan samma sambuddho vidyācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati satta deva Buddho bhagavati swakato bhagavata dhammo sanditiko akaliko ehi passiko panayiko panchatang veditam Viñño hiti supatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Uchupatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Ñāyapatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Sāmicipatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Yadidan chattari purisa yogāni atta purisa pungala Esa bhagavato sāvaka sangho Ahuneyo pahuneyo Dakkineyo anjali karaneyo Anuttaram puñakya Lokan sati etena sacca vajjena dukkha upasamintute etena sacca vajjena bhaya upasamintute etena sacca vajjena roga upasamintute Yanida bhutani samagatani bummani bhayani antalinke sabbeva bhuta sumana bhavantu atopi sakkacca sunantu bhasitan tasmai bhutani sameta sabbe mettam karota manusiya paja Divācarattu ca haranti balim tasmāhi nirankata ampa Yankinci vittam idavā urang vāsagge suvāyam Ratanam panitan nano samannati tathāgatena idampi buddhe ratanam panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu kayang viragang amatam panitang yadajaga sakya muni samahito natena dhammena samattikinti idampi dhamme ratanam panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu yam buddha setto parivannaye sucin samadhimanan tarikanya mahu samadhinatena samona vijjati idampi dhamme ratanam panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu ye puggalatta satampa satta cattaretani yugani neya sugatassa savakaye te sudinnani mahapalane dampi sanghe ratanam panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu ye suppayutta manasa dallena mino gotama sasanam me te pattipatta amatang vigaiha ladda muda nibbutim bhunjamana idampi sanghe ratanam panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu yatindakilo patthavinsito චතුබ්බිවාතේ භියසම්පකම්පියෝ තතුපමං සප්පුරිසං මදාමි යෝ අරිය සච්චානි අවෙච්ච පංසති දම්පි සංඝේ රතනං පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු ඒ අරිය සච්චානි විභාවයන්ති ගම්බීර පඤ්ඤේන සුදේසිතානේ කිංචාපිතේ ඔන්ති බුසප්පමං නතේ භවං අට්ඨමං ආදියන්ති දම්පි සංඝේ රතනං පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු සහවස්ස දස්සන සම්පදාය තයසු ධම්මා ජයිතා භවන්ති සක්කාය දිට්ඨි විචිකිච්ඡිතං ච සීලබ්බතම්මාපි යදත්ති කිංචි චතුප්පායේහි ච විප්පමුන්තෝ චචාබිටානානි අබම්බෝකාතුං ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති කිංචාපිසෝ කම්මං කරෝති පාපකං කායේන වාචා උදචේතසා වා බම්බෝසෝ තස්ස පටිච්චාදාය අබබ්බතා දිට්ඨ පදස්ස වුන්තායි දම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු අනප්පගුම්බේ යතා පුස්සිතංගේ ගිම්හාන පඨමස්මින් ගිම්මේ තතුපමන් ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි නිබ්බාන ගාමෙන් පරමං හිතාය ඉදම්පි බුද්දේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු වරෝ වරඤ්ඤෝ වරදෝ වරහරෝ අනුත්තරෝ ධම්ම වරං අදේසයිදම්පි බුද්දේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු කීනම් පුරාණං නවන්නත්ති සම්භවං විරාත චිත්තායතිකේ බවස්මින් තේ කීන බීජා අවිරුල්ලි චන්දානි නිබ්බන්ති දීරා යතායම් පදීපෝ ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනේතං නේතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලින්ගේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං බුද්ධං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං ධම්මං නමස්සාව සුවත්ති හෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලින්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං සංඝං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන දුක්ඛා උපසමින්තු තේ ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන භයා උපසමින්තු තේ ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන රෝගා උපසමින්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ අකත්තයක්ඛ භූතානං පාපග්ගා නිවාරණා පරිත්තස්සානුභාවේන අන්තු තේ සන්නුපද්දවේ ආකාසට්ටා ච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ටා ච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ටා ච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful night.